Today we'll be making Mitarashi Dango. In a bowl, add the shiratamako and the yushinko. Both are rice flours that you can find in Japanese stores. Gradually add the hot water. The flour will start to stick together and form lumps. Using the hands, we will knead until the dough comes together and becomes smooth. I like to start the process in the bowl and then move to the table. Once the dough is ready, make a roll and divide it into 9 equal-sized portions. Roll each portion into a ball. Prepare a bowl with cold water and ice. Add the balls to a pot of boiling water, stirring so they do not stick to the bottom of the pot. At the beginning, the dumplings will sink, and once they are cooked, they will float. When they start to float, let them cook for 2 more minutes. Remove the dumplings and pour them into the bowl with ice water. While the dango balls are cooling, prepare the mitarashi sauce. Add the water, sugar, cornstarch, mirin, and soy sauce in a pan, and stir well. Turn the heat on and stir continuously. You will see that the sauce will darken. As soon as it thickens, remove it from the heat and pour the sauce into a bowl. When the dangos have cooled, place 3 to 5 balls on a skewer. For the grilled flavor, we can grill the dango skewers on a slightly oiled barbecue, or you can use a kitchen blowtorch. And the best part? Pour the sauce on top and enjoy. If you like this recipe, don't miss those two.